I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming which Google product you need help with and what account type you use. Once done, gather the account ID, billing details, and any error screenshots because support will ask. Open a desktop browser and sign into the exact Google account tied to the issue. This unlocks tailored support links. Make sure to use a browser without heavy blockers, then navigate to Google's Support Hub for the specific product to reveal contact channels you can use next. You now focus on the Help Center page for that specific Google product and choose the issue category that matches your problem. After selecting subcategory, click the Contact Us or similar button. This generates available contact options based on your account type. Once options appear, pick phone callback or live chat if offered, because those are fastest. Make sure your phone is nearby for callbacks. If only request forms appear, fill them with concise facts and attach your screenshots. You finish by entering a clear summary, attaching evidence, and confirming a reachable phone number or chat availability. Then submit and expect an email confirmation. If phone contact is missing, escalate to Google Workspace or Ads paid support, or try official Twitter support handles for faster visibility. Make sure to note reference numbers. Troubleshoot proactively. Clear browser cache, try incognito or another device and switch networks. If that fails, reopen the Help Center and repeat the contact flow with updated details so support can proceed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.